No, that sounded like a girl crying.
Can you show yourself to us?
Oh my god, that was above us! Irene, if there's somebody above us, can you let it be known? Touch one of our devices. Oh my god!
You wanted to fly.
On cue! Okay.
It's the second time on cue.
It's going off again.
Holy shit!
I feel like everything's been pointing up to the roof.
There's been knocks up there.
Alright, so does that mean we should do a roof investigation?
On the checklist, that's what's next, you know?
Yeah, I think we have to go to the roof.
God, this place knows so much about me.
You mugging the camera?
Don't be mocked.